EV equity edge is back, and today we're accelerating into Mullen Automotive's territory. A potential short squeeze could be on the horizon. What could this mean for Mullen's performance? Stick around as we dissect Mullen's daily price changes, catch up on the latest news, and predict future market trends. Let's supercharge your knowledge on Mullen Automotive. The trading session began with an opening price of 15.71 cents. Throughout the day, we observed fluctuations in the stock price, with the daily high reaching 16.12 cents and the daily low touching 15.01 cents. Finally, the stock closed at 15.69 cents, reflecting a minor decrease of minus 1.81% compared to the previous close. Analyzing the daily change, we note a modest decline of minus 1.81%. It's important to consider that daily fluctuations are a normal part of stock market dynamics and can be influenced by various factors such as market sentiment, news, and investor behavior. The price range for the day was 7.07%, which represents the difference between the daily high and the daily low. This indicates a moderate level of volatility during the trading session. In terms of trading volume, we observed a daily volume of 223,916,269 shares exchanged, which is slightly lower than the average volume of 371,088,351. While the volume was relatively lower, it still indicates significant market interest and active participation in MULN stock. Now let's revisit the levels of resistance and support that we discussed in yesterday's video. The resistance levels we highlighted were 16.67 cents, 17.36 cents, and 17.87 cents. As for support levels, they were identified at 15.47 cents, 14.96 cents, and 14.27 cents. These levels play a crucial role in understanding potential price movements and investor sentiment. While the price action didn't present any significant abnormalities, it's important to continue monitoring the stock's behavior around these support and resistance levels. These levels can serve as potential inflection points, where shifts in buying and selling pressure may occur. Today we'll be discussing Bollinger's progress in building its pilot B4 EVs and how this development may influence the stock price. According to the article, Bollinger Motors has initiated the process of its design validation pilot builds for the B4 chassis cab. These vehicles, built for testing and demonstration purposes, are being manufactured in collaboration with Roush Industries at their facility in Livonia, Michigan. This marks an important milestone for Bollinger, as they have over 8 years of experience in developing and testing all-electric trucks. The article further mentions that the first 5 completed B4s are expected to arrive by this summer, followed by an additional 15 plus B4s by September 30th. Bollinger plans to hold demonstrations on the pilot build in September at the University of Michigan's North Campus testing facility. This indicates their proactive approach to showcasing the capabilities of the B4 to potential fleet customers. The B4 chassis cab carries a gross vehicle weight rating (GVWR) of 15,000 pounds and offers a range of 185 miles. It boasts relatively quick charge-up times, with 4.9 hours required for Level 2 charging and just 1.2 hours for Level 3. Additionally, the B4 qualifies for a federal purchase incentive of 30% for the vehicle's cost, up to a maximum of $40,000, under the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022-AS for production logistics. The article highlights the convenient proximity of Roush's manufacturing facility to Bollinger's headquarters in Michigan. This, along with the close proximity of Bollinger's battery supplier, One Next Energy, simplifies the production process. So, how might this news impact Mullen Automotive stock? The progress in Bollinger's pilot builds for the B4 chassis cab signifies their commitment to advancing their all-electric truck offerings. It demonstrates their dedication to delivering on their milestones and expanding their product portfolio. Investors should closely monitor the reception and feedback received during the upcoming demonstrations at the University of Michigan. Positive responses and potential partnerships with fleet customers could generate increased interest in Bollinger's electric trucks and potentially have a positive influence on Mullen Automotive's stock price. Now let's shift our focus to the upcoming resistance and support levels for Mullen stock. These levels can provide valuable insights into potential price movements and help us gauge how the stock might react in the near future. On the resistance side, we have three key levels to watch. The first resistance level is at 16.20 cents, followed by 16.72 cents, and finally 17.31 cents. These levels represent potential hurdles that the stock price may encounter as it attempts to move higher. If Mullen stock manages to break through and hold above the first resistance level at 16.20 cents, it could signify a bullish momentum and potentially propel the stock price towards the next resistance level at 16.72 cents. Successful consolidation above this level may indicate increased buying pressure and could potentially push the stock towards the highest resistance level at 17.31 cents. On the other hand, let's not overlook the importance of support levels in our analysis. These levels provide a cushion for the stock price during potential pullbacks. The first support level to monitor is at 15.09 cents, followed by 14.50 cents, and then 13.98 cents. If the stock encounters selling pressure and falls towards the first support level at 15.09 cents, it will be crucial to observe how it reacts. A strong bounce off this support level could indicate a potential reversal and a renewed upward move. However, if the stock breaks below this level, it may signal further downside potential towards the subsequent support levels. It's important to remember that stock prices can be influenced by various factors, including market sentiment, news developments, and overall market conditions. Therefore, it's essential to keep a close eye on how Mullen behaves in relation to these upcoming resistance and support levels, as they can provide valuable guidance for traders and investors. That wraps up our discussion on the potential short squeeze in Mullen's landscape. If this analysis charged up your investment strategy, give us a like and subscribe for more. We look forward to reading your comments. Don't forget our in-depth coverage on Tesla, NIO, Rivian, and Lucid. Stay charged and see you in the next video.